Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we have a video on Clamp M, a car mobile holder from Portronics. Actual price is $799 but now available for $349 on their website and even lesser on other websites. I bought it from Cred app for a good offer price. The package is simple and good. These are some of the main features. The mobile holder comes in two pieces. We can easily attach them. The build quality is really premium. It offers 360-degree rotation. Telescopic zoom out up to 40 mm is also there. To fix, place the base on the surface and turn the lock option. The push button on the back helps to increase the width of the holder by releasing the clamps. If you are looking for a car mobile holder, you can definitely buy this. I am completely satisfied. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.